Presenting a pre-owned 2013 GMC Terrain SLE-2. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine with front-wheel drive and a six-speed shiftable auto transmission. This GMC has less than 165,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.